Hi all, I hope you're enjoying your holidays. In case you get a bit bored, Brit from Student Association AGREEn has 4 tips for you on how to make a sustainable impact during your summer. So listen carefully and make a change.
Hi everyone, my name is Brit and I am a member of AGREEn. AGREEn is a student organization in Nijmegen where students work on consultancy projects for corporate and governmental clients that are looking for sustainable solutions. Our main goal is to make a positive impact. In this video I will show you 4 ways to make a positive impact during your summer break.
Summer break is the perfect time to clean out your closet and give clothes that you don't wear anymore a second life by, for example, selling them on an app. Another way to make impact is by volunteering in a community garden in which you can grow and harvest your own food. You can also sign up as a volunteer for various projects. For example, you can become a buddy or help in an animal shelter. Last but not least, you can deepen your own knowledge on societal issues by reading or watching documentaries.
If you also want to make a positive impact after the summer during your studies, you can always become a member of AGREEn.